Belize, only 8,867 square miles in size, is situated on the northeast coast of Central America. The Caribbean Sea lies on the east, and from the air its turquoise waters are clear, allowing the multicolored coral formation of the Great Barrier Reef to be easily observed. Coral islands called keys cover the stands of mangrove trees dot the coast. Lying in the aquamarine and jaded colored bays, these keys protect the jungle coastline from the ravages of the sea. On the mainland, the golden and sand beaches of the communities of Hopkins and Dangriga are quiet, unmanaged beaches with food and drinks and limited marine sports services a block or two from the beach. The beautiful coastline of southern Belize, however, is being threatened by a massive erosion. Coastal erosion linked to the natural and anthropogenic factors is a problem in the Caribbean region, including Belize. Coasts are dynamic and coastlines continually evolve as a result of natural processes, including erosion. Human interference in the natural system also influences processes of erosion, for example, by altering sediment budgets, distributing longshore drifts, and modifying ecosystem and topographics.
In the past months, we have been observing our beaches losing its beauty due to the loss of the natural sand and soil. Can you explain to us what are some of the causes of this situation?
Nature there's a cause and effect in nature. When you affect one side of the environment, the natural processes for the other, for an effect, or for cause and effect, basically. And the river, the North Sandy River, certainly in the case of Dangriga, is a river that brings material to the coast. And so, in my view, when there's concession, quite a amount of concession given up the river, and the river, by its natural process, the river brings sediments to the beach and replenish whatever erosion may take place there. When there's mining, so much mining on the river, then the load of the river don't reach the beach, and so there's a natural compensation for nature to be able to compensate by taking that out there. So it is a natural process. The river brings and replenish whatever may have been eroded because of the natural process of the to and fro of the sea waves, of the waves. But as I said, when you extract or mine too much of those material there, then it has an effect, negative effects on the environment. So that's my view. That's one of the things that perhaps is affecting massive erosion along the coastline.
All of a sudden we woke up one day and we had a fence that was about 10 feet away from the water's edge, and we woke up one day and it was underwater. You know, our guests come to swim in the ocean and enjoy the beach. Everybody ended up checking out early or canceling because, you know, we turned from a beach to a cliff overnight.
What type of mitigation would we put in place?
Well, one thing that could help is lobbying Belmopan to give the mining concession to be mindful of the cause and effect, perhaps limit the amount of concession given to mine from North Sandy River in the case of Dangriga. So mining, for instance, we have 3 or 4 concessions be given on the river and in close proximity to the river, close proximity to from here to like Hope Creek, and so all of that, there's a massive movement of material, massive movement of sand and gravels, massive movement of sand and backfill, which certainly affect the erosion taking place along the coast.
We are aware of the situation we are faced here in Hopkins community with erosion. As the chairman of the village council, what solutions have you seek to address this issue?
We have 2 organizations that have already shared or are interested in assisting the community in doing a comprehensive plan for the entire beach, that is PADEF. It's an organization that is funded by Taiwan. They recently established in Dangriga, and they are the first ones. They have already done studies of the beach and doing GIS mapping to ensure that what we do is going to correct the entire length of the beach in the village. And we also have PAC, who have shared the interest, and they're still doing preliminary studies as to what would be the best measure in correcting the entire length of the beach. So those are the two things that we have in place for now to correct the erosion situation that we have.
Individually, community members living along the beaches of both Hopkins and Dangriga have engaged their own plans in dealing with erosion. It is our hope that with nature taking its course, that one day our beaches will gain back its natural beauty.